I like the sparkly.
Yeah, me too.
What do you think?
I think what we're aiming for is to try to match you to vegetables, but not be too matchy.
I'm like,
we don't want you looking. Yeah.
Bird's Eye Veggies and Nickelodeon are helping me get crazy in the kitchen. That's how I made this super cool veggie sundae. Yum. With all the variety and yummy surprises packed into a bag of Bird's Eye Veggies, the possibilities are limitless. Join me and invent your own veggie recipe today. Let's inspire a new generation of vegetable lovers.
Here, take one, common mark. Ready. And same moves, same cues. And action.
Bird's Eye Veggies and Nickelodeon are helping me get crazy in the kitchen. That's how I made this super cool veggie sundae. With all the variety and yummy surprises packed into a bag of Bird's Eye Veggies, the possibilities are limitless. It's about celebrating the awesomeness of veggies by eating more of them and sharing how you make veggies way wild, wacky, and most importantly, yummy. And there. With all the variety, colors, and surprisingly delicious taste, by eating more of them and sharing how you make veggies way wild, wacky, and most importantly, yummy. With all the variety, colors, and surprisingly delicious taste packed into Bird's Eye vegetables, anyone can get crazy in the kitchen, including you. All it takes is looking at them the right way.
Sorry. Oh, here we go. Ready? Action.
Veggies rock. Veggies rock. Red, yellow, green, I select them all. Makes everything I eat so delectable. Making green and staying cool with Bird's Eye vegetables. Said.
Right now, so bring me the 2 bubbles on this guy. And 2. That's 2 and 2. That's 2 and 2.
I'm thrilled to be part of the Bird's Eye campaign because healthy eating can make you look and feel better, and eating vegetables is one of the main parts of healthy eating. My favorite vegetables are corn, I loves me a good salad, and broccoli with garlic salt. I always remember growing up and my mom would, for dinner every night, had this huge plate of steamed vegetables. It was ginormous. And my brothers and I would always pick little vegetables, Brussels sprouts or cauliflower, off her plate. And she always had just a little bit of butter and garlic salt to make them extra tasty. And ever since then, it's my favorite way to have veggies. Whenever I'm cooking at my apartment, I am doing the craziest things, like listening and karaokeing in my own way to Katy Perry, and always cooking in my PJs, because what other way is there to cook, right? If I didn't eat a good amount of vegetables every day, I know I wouldn't have the right vitamins and nutrients to be able to sustain me throughout the day, because I mean, even in the past week, we've been working on iCarly and we've had 19-hour work days. You can't get through that day if you're just eating a bunch of junk food. So it's definitely important to, anytime you go in the fridge, reach for something healthy. Kids can head to nick.com/birdseye to enter the sweepstakes and find out how to get wacky with vegetables. To the future winners or winner of the sweepstakes, I would like to say congratulations. And I can't wait to try your recipe. I hope it's delicious. It better be delicious because it's going in my stomach. My favorite thing to do in the summertime is to swim. That's the best. There's nothing better than swimming. I recently took up Pilates, which is a really interesting, it's like Pilates. The first half of the class is Pilates on a reformer, and then the second half is like a spin class. And I started taking these with Miranda Cosgrove, who plays Carly. And we get a kick out of going to the class because the instructor is kind of like a Justin Timberlake. look alike. So it's very fun to be instructed by him. We just pretend he's Justin Timberlake. I'm so excited to be starting my new show. We taped the pilot very soon, and it's created by Dan Schneider, who executive produced and created iCarly and Drake and Josh and Zoe 101, and really all the greatest Nick shows of the past decade. And I'm really thrilled to be continuing a working relationship and being working under his wing. And there's nobody whose creative judgment I trust more than his. My album just dropped on iTunes and Amazon, and I'm really thrilled. It's been an ongoing project, and I've worked very hard on it and done multiple tours, and I'm so glad that my fans can finally have a full-length album to listen to instead of just EPs and snippets and previews. This is great.